Getting a CH35 code on my mini split AC and it won't turn on.
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
LG about 2 years old. I don't even know where the filter is on these.
How long has this been going on with your LG air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
This is the first time I try to use it this year.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, my name is M. Looking at your question now and will respond in a moment. Disregard phone call pop-ups, as those are computer-based. Hello, code DH35 means excessive low pressure drop, under 1 bar, 15 sig, at low pressure sensor. Solution is to check pressures and check service valves are open. That is what LG has to say. If it's an existing system that has been operating, then either the low pressure sensor is bad, or the system is very low on refrigerant and has a leak that needs to be repaired before recharging the system. If the system is cooling well, you can ignore that error code without any significant liability. If the system is not cooling, then you need to call for service.
Thank you.
You are very welcome and I wish you the best. Stay safe, Billy.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.